was brought to you by Nor Sinigang. Tikman ang sarap ng ating kilig with Nor Sinigang. And Jollibee New Chicken Joy Bucket Favorites. Promo runs from August 1 to October 31, 2014 for DTI FTEB SPD permit number 0873 series of 2014.
Slow down, go easy. Easy one.
How's it going? It's 2:55. That time check was brought to you by Pillow Life Health Invest, the plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. And Watson's Generics. Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%. And Fujidenso Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving features in all our products. So choose wisely. Choose Fujidenso. Fujidenso, quality above all. Ang V-Fresh ay nakikisa sa sigaw ng bayan para sa kapayapaan. Naniniwala ang V-Fresh na pagpayapa ang bayan, may progreso at mabilis ang asenso nating mga Pilipino. Mag-V-Fresh at pag-usapan ng may lamig sa bibig ang aksyon para sa kapayapaan.
Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalo magaanda. Honey, ano tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Kung may pwede ako dito sa flat.
Gaanda.
Kung mas dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ang dami suot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlaba, Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit.
Feel ko yata magpadzama.
Gaanda.
Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Magaan ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Never travel without it.
Oy, Beth! 5 a.m. tayo sa terminal sa Baguio, ha? Yung white flower, ha? Don't forget, kita-kit!
Never run without it.
Bro, 3 a.m. hanggang start ng 21K ha. Ako naman tayo sa White Flower, tol.
Never go without it.
Pare, nilike ko yung post mo ah. Nak, may dalang White Flower. Yan! Yan ang pangalis ng headache ng barkada.
Feel good when you're out with your Feel Good partner, White Flower Embrocation, your Feel Good partner. Menthol, Crystal Menthol Salicylate Eucalyptus Oil is the generic name of White Flower. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing natanggal ang sebo, pati bacteria, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay sa'yo. For only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Smart Dishwashing, panggaling-galing.
Hi! After the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing o the pinaglutuang masebo. Ang pinagkainang maaaring mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ang sebo. Tanggal-galing ang bakterya. Sa presyong kay gaan-gaan pa.
Thank you!
Smart Dishwashing. Ang galing-galing. Only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Suggested retail price. Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. Walking down the runway, Danny in Polo Barong and a smile with healthy teeth and gums. Magkapatid na Miko and Bea in uniforms that bring out their shiny hair. Heto na si Mommy, her skin radiant after gown.
Looking good comes from good health. Take Potency Vitamin C daily. It helps the body fight common sicknesses like flu and cold and produce collagen, essential for healthy skin, hair, teeth, and gums.
Presenting the Model Family with Potency.
Get protection that helps make you look good. Ascorbic acid is the generic name of Potency. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
This is Richard Yap. Sa TV, I have a script to guide me. Off-cam, I have a manual for life. Manulife. Sa Manulife, I can give my kids the best education and take care of my wife hanggang retired oldies na kami. Ano man ang mangyari, my family is protected with Manulife. Manulife helps secure your future today.
To know more, call 884-7000 or visit manulife.com.ph.
Uuwi ka ng bahay galing trabaho. Pagdating sa bus stop, walang pila, sakay agad. Lahat ng daan ng traffic lights, green and go. At pagdating pa sa bahay, wow! Lahat ng paborito mo andito na. Bumili kasi si Honey ng new Jollibee Chicken Joy Bucket Favorites with your favorite Chicken Joy, Jolly Spaghetti at crispy fries.
How was your day, honey?
Just perfect.
Sarap talaga pag nagsama-sama lahat ng gusto mo. Kaya order na ng Chicken Joy Bucket Favorites.
Promo runs from August 1 to October 31, 2014 for DTI NCR FTEB SPD permit number 0873 series of 2014.
What does Alpenliebe candy taste like? Alpenliebe candy, the taste that's on everyone's lips. Available in caramel, strawberry, and coffee flavors. Alpenliebe candy, share the creamy goodness. Bili na!
What are you waiting for? Share the creamy goodness of Alpenliebe candy. You make me complete. Easy ride.